Welcome to the Vidgram Studio Training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to record a standard audio message in Vidgram Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Video Messenger. Now choose your message type. Now record your audio message.
Artificial intelligence or AI is the technology that enables computer and machines to simulate human intelligence and problem-solving capabilities.
Now enter your audio title and description.
Artificial intelligence or AI is the technology that enables computer and machines to
Click on Next. You can add a logo to your audio message. You can either upload a logo locally or import it from a URL. You can add CTA text and URL to your audio message. You can also add a scheduled date and time to your audio message if you want to publish it later. Choose your audio player color. Click on Submit and your audio message is ready. You can copy your audio message URL. You can open your audio message URL.
Artificial intelligence or AI is the technology that enables computer.
You can see your audio message in the My Video Messages section. We will cover the detailed functionality of My Video Messages section in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video.